The dualization of the AKURE-IDANRE road has officially been inaugurated by Ondo State Governor Dr. Gov.Aiyedatiwa, fulfilling a key campaign pledge. At the flag-off ceremony, which took place at Akure's Arakale-Oke-Aro Junction, Phase 1 of the project, a 10-kilometer section of the AKURE-IDANRE corridor that runs from Cashhole Junction to KM10 began. Governor Aiyedatiwa reaffirmed his administration's commitment to infrastructural development during the flag-off event, calling the project essential to the state's rapid development and prosperity. Here is more on this report. The governor of Ondo State, Dr. Aiyedatiwa, on Wednesday, flagged off the dualization of the AKURE-IDANRE road, translating one of his major electioneering campaign promises into action. The flag-off ceremony held at Arakale-Oke-Aro Junction in Akure marked the commencement of Phase 1 of the project, a 10-kilometer stretch from Cashhole Junction to KM10 on the AKURE-IDANRE corridor. Speaking during the flag-off ceremony, Governor Aiyedatiwa reiterated his administration's commitment to infrastructural development, describing the project as crucial to accelerated progress and prosperity in the state.
Today marks another historic milestone in the journey towards transforming our dear Sunshine State into a hub of economic growth, development, and progress. We are proudly gathered here with an overwhelming sense of joy and enthusiasm, a profound feeling of collective accomplishment, and an unwavering commitment to the fulfillment of our campaign promises during the last electioneering campaign, which ultimately culminated into our overwhelming victory, which tenure starts about 2 months ago, the 24th day of February 2025. We have come to officially flag off the dualization of the Phase 1, which is 10-kilometer AKURE-IDANRE carriageway, a milestone project that embodies our administration's commitment to infrastructural development, economic growth, and improving the quality of life for our people. This landmark project is not conceived or executed in isolation. Rather, it is deeply and inextricably linked to our administration's ambitious and careful considered development blueprint. The 7-point agenda, eloquently encapsulated in our EASE, an action-oriented acronym which literally means Odatiwa Odiroru. Let me at this point emphasize that AKURE-IDANRE holds immense and far-reaching significance for the very socio-economic fabric of our beloved state. This dualization project therefore stands as a powerful testimony to the steadfast resolve of our administration to build an Ondo state where opportunities are not just promised but are readily accessible, and where every citizen is empowered to realize their full potential and thrive in an environment of progress and shared prosperity.
Describing the project as a gateway to unlocking the vast potential of Ondo State, Aiyedatiwa assured residents that it would be completed to the highest standards and within schedule. Governor Aiyedatiwa promised that all ongoing road projects across the state, including the ones inherited by his administration, will be completed.
The limitations of the single carriageway have regrettably contributed to a heightened risk of traffic accidents, causing unnecessary pain, suffering, and tragic loss within that axis. It is therefore a significant turning point for us to be here under the radiant sunshine of our dear Sunshine State as we take a decisive and impactful action to translate the genuine aspirations, yearnings, and long-standing concerns of our people into tangible, lasting solutions, effectively laying a solid foundation for a more demonstratively brighter and more prosperous future for all who traverse this vital AKURE-IDANRE corridor. This dualization project is indeed of great significance, as it is one project that transcends the mere scope of a routine infrastructural upgrade. It serves as potent and enduring symbol of our overarching strategic vision for a truly modern and seamless connected Ondo State.
The Deji of Akure Kingdom, Oba Alade Toyinbo Ogunlade Alade Lucy Odundun II, who was in attendance, commended Governor Aiyedatiwa for fulfilling his promise to dualize the road, which demonstrates his commitment to the development of the state capital.
On behalf of AKURE-IDANRE, thank you very much for doing this for us. This is just the beginning. Last time, the big one is coming. The flyover, or the other flyover, stop. The big one. So we cannot thank you enough. We keep on appreciating you. Keep on thanking you. Keep on praying for you. You know you need a prayer. God is on your side.
The project will feature modern traffic systems and solar-powered streetlights and is designed to accommodate heavy vehicular traffic with its robust pavement structure and 28-meter wide carriageway.